Hello kids! Today on our channel, we are going to learn about some important good habits that make us healthy, happy and super smart. Brushing teeth twice a day. A sparkling smile starts with brushing your teeth twice a day. It keeps your teeth clean and strong. Washing hands. Washing hands is super important. It helps keep the germs away and make sure we stay healthy. Eating fruits and vegetables gives us the energy to play, learn, and grow big and strong. Being kind and sharing with our friends makes everyone happy. It's one of the best habits we can have. After playtime, let's clean up our toys. It makes our room neat and helps us find things easily. Getting enough sleep. Getting enough sleep helps us wake up refreshed and ready for a new day full of adventures. So kids, those are some of the best habits we can practice every day. Let's try them together.